Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Have you heard of Club Couture? Club Couture is a monthly subscription package that brings an hour or so of creative bliss directly to your doorstep for only $21.99 a month. Shipping is on us. So what do you get with Club Couture? You get an exclusive 8.5 by 11 inch transfer. Think of it as a stencil on steroids. It's made of vinyl and silkscreen, and it's adhesive backed, reusable 8 to 12 or more times. It allows you to create beautiful pieces of home decor. You can use it on glass, wood, metal, mirror, ceramics, fabric, you name it, you can apply it to it as long as it's a basically somewhat smooth surface with low nap. The choice is yours. It's quick and easy, and you have the choice of mediums. You can use our chalk paste or our ink. Our chalk paste on some surfaces is erasable, allowing you to use the surface again. Think of chalkboard, dry erase board, glass, metal, or mirror. When you tire of the design, spritz it with water, wipe it up with a paper towel, and you could reuse your surface. On wood, because wood is porous, it's usually just a one-time application. But along with this transfer, you get 3 individual color-coordinated chalk paste or ink to do the project. You can get detailed instructions, follow our suggestions, or create it however you want. The choice is up to you. And after you've made it for yourself, you can make it for someone else. June 2023's transfer for Club Couture is called Summertime. If you were a club member, how would you use this transfer? Would you make a sign? Would you put it on a t-shirt? A tote bag? Would you only use part of it? Maybe the bicycle or the raise, or maybe just the wording. How would you use it? Drop me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll show you what I've done. Okay, are you ready for the little sneaky peeky of July's Club Couture? Don't tell anyone I did this, okay? Just came with my order. That's one of the perks about being a designer. Our first order of the month, whether or not we place one, but if we do place one, gives us the next month's Club Couture transfer. This one is called Explore Your World. It's July's. And check this out. Isn't this absolutely awesome? For anyone that travels, this is perfect for you. Whether you put this on a suitcase, or you put it on a tote, or you put it on a t-shirt, or you make it into a sign, you can do a zillion different things with this. Isn't this absolutely amazing? So this is July's Club Couture. If you'd like to know more about Club Couture, comment club below and let me know how you'd use it. See you soon.